122 amplifier. southjk is replacing the capacitors in there. He's got all the caps replaced with new orange drops. There were some 0.0047 at 1600 volt. And there's the old Black Beauty, Black Cat capacitors. Also put in a new electrolytic here in the cathode circuit. Here are the Leslie motors. This one has been completely refurbished, and put a new drive belt on the wheel. It's not really a belt, but it acts as the rubber surface on the drive wheel. Everything has been cleaned and relubricated on this one, and this is for the lower rotor. So now I need to just do this one. This one I think is for the top. It's kind of dirty and greasy and dusty, so I'll get it disassembled here and relubricated and cleaned. Here are the parts of the slow speed Leslie motor. Here are the bearings, and this motor is just a lot like you'd find on an RCA 45 record player or something like that. Bearings are really greasy and gummy, so I'm going to clean those. Might start with contact, which is fairly mild, and I might need to go to gum out if that doesn't do it. Let's get everything cleaned up. It's got a spring in here so that the rotor pops up when power is applied, and that kind of acts as the clutch on the slow speed part of the mechanism. We're now testing the 6550 tubes that were in the Leslie. Let's see what this one reads as. Okay, that's not too bad. It's right at the bottom of the good range. Let's see if there's a shorts indication. Let's try the leakage test. No, don't see any indication of a short there.
It's just kind of fluttering there.
Let me see. Oh, I see that. It's real faint. Okay. I wonder if the new tube doesn't show that.
Here, let's try
the new one. Here's a brand new SovTech tube. We're going to check this one and see how it compares. Don't see any indication on the short test. Let's check the quality. Looks like it's still warming up. Okay, it's a little bit higher. Now I have the slow speed motor all cleaned and re-oiled, and when I plug it in, you'll notice that the rotor pops up, and that acts as the clutch to transfer power from this motor up to the drive wheel. And when it's unplugged, it drops down. Now we're going to disassemble the high speed motor. Here's the high speed motor. Got the end brackets off. Got everything vacuumed out, blown out, and put some oil on the motor shafts, cleaned the shafts, and relubricated them. Here's the high-speed motor reassembled. I'm going to give it a test now. And the hum is just the motor vibrating against the table. It's not really that noisy. Seems like it's working okay. I can reassemble the whole high and low speed setup. We've now got the Leslie 122 reassembled. Got all new tubes in the amp. We've got a military spec OC3 in there with extra shielding around it. Now I'll put the new relay in it. Now it's running on the fast speed. And I'll go ahead and switch the switch here. They got a Trek 2 kit on it. I'll go ahead and switch it to the low speed. Everything's working like it should. Go ahead and go back to high. There's low. Now high.